that we booked departing from the port of Naxos in the Greek islands. We booked this excursion online and it worked out to be about $100 per person Canadian at the time. There were about 15 people booked on this excursion, but it was a very large boat and we were all able to be accommodated comfortably in the space that there was provided. We had an absolutely amazing time exploring the Greek coastlines from the comfort of the catamaran. We spent a lot of time in the water. Thankfully, the cruise line did provide swim gear we were able to use during the day. Lunch was also provided, and it was all in all an absolutely amazing experience. The views that we were able to see from the catamaran were absolutely stunning. We got to visit a private beach that was only accessible by boat, as well as stop and swim around a bunch of other port cities around the Naxos island. It was an absolutely stunning day. soon and you're hoping to go on a day trip similar to this one, let us know. Also, if you've been on a boat trip or a catamaran trip similar to this one, let us know as well. We'd love to know what your experiences were like too. Anyway, have a great day. Goodbye.